In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Trello. If you're new to Trello, it's a flexible visual tool for organizing tasks and projects, and the sign up process only takes a minute. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and which options are best for you. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you know your information is secure. On the home page, look for the button that says Sign Up. It's free. It's usually at the top right, and it takes you straight into the account creation flow. Trello is part of Atlassian, so you'll be redirected to Atlassian's sign up page. That's normal. Here you'll see a field to enter your email address. Type in an email you have access to. Work or personal is fine. Using the email you actively check will make it easier to receive notifications and any verification messages. If you see options like marketing preferences, those are optional and can be adjusted later in your account settings. After you enter your email, click the Sign Up button to continue. Atlassian may ask you to confirm your email or complete a couple of quick prompts. Just follow what's on screen. The flow is straightforward and designed to get you into Trello quickly. If a verification message is sent, check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or junk folder. If you prefer not to create a password right now, you can use one of the single sign-on options. You'll see choices to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Pick the one you already use most. Continuing with Google or Microsoft is great if your calendars and documents live there, since it keeps everything under one account. Apple is a solid choice if you like Apple's privacy controls and want to use Hide My Email. Slack can be handy if your team already collaborates in Slack. Just make sure you're signed into the right workspace, as permissions may be managed by your organization. Using one of these providers can simplify sign-in later, reduce the number of passwords you maintain, and help keep access secure with features like two-factor authentication managed by your provider. If your company has specific sign-in requirements, choose the option your IT team supports. Once you've completed the sign-up, you'll be taken back to Trello, where you're ready to explore boards, lists, and cards. That's all there is to it. Go to Trello.com, choose Sign Up, enter your email, and finish the prompts, or continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your work with Trello.